Hey church family, we want to update you on what's been happening with our construction project. Last weekend we had an amazing time giving tours of the building.
Okay, so come on closer. This is giving you a view of what I'm hoping is going to be called our Hall of Faith. This room right here, our fellowship hall. And then this is that front atrium that you're looking at over here. These sheetrock sheets are going to get flipped around and they will become part of this wall. Okay, so whatever you write here will be remaining here in this room. So go ahead and take a moment to do that.
Up here, it's going to be a stairway that actually lead up to the upstairs offices. So now people don't have to go down the hall, go down this hall to actually get there. It's a straight shot upstairs to all the offices and reception upstairs.
A huge praise report. This week is the week that our glass got installed and it looks wonderful. Thank you so much for your generosity and partnership. We love you and we'll see you at drive-in service this weekend.